Let it out. Let it out.
Suddenly I see, this is what I wanna be. Suddenly I see.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we have a fun video planned. I'm going to do baking with my little brother. But the thing is, my little brother is going to be doing my voiceover at the end. Today, we're gonna make coconut cookies. But this recipe is, I'll count it as healthy because it only contains coconut, shredded coconuts, eggs, and a little bit of sugar. That's it, you guys.
Hi guys, I'm eating my sister making cookies. Coconut, sugar, eggs, bowl. My sister cracking the egg. One ice. Crack egg. Crack egg. Mixing the eggy. Now I'm mixing the eggy. Oh yeah. I bet I'm mixing eggs the whole world. Now I'll add the sugar. Dummy. Now I crack it. No, I crack the sugar.
Like, no way, bruh. Like, oh my god.
How much this is clean up? I am.
Give it to me! Give it to me! Give it to me! Just give it!
I can't mix it. Hold the mixer. Now add the coconut. Mix. Now I do it. Baking paper? No, I meant paper. More mix. Put it in the tray. I get a bit mad because I want to do it. My sister watching the dishes.
Okay, so I just finished baking with Hanku. I just put the cookies in the oven. Now we're gonna wait like 15 to 20 minutes until it's nice and golden and crispy. So until then, we'll see you guys after.
Waiting to cook. Oh my god, the dog burned. Ah! I really not like it. I really not want to say it. Feel bad to my sister. I don't want to hurt her feelings. Now I try it. I like a cookie. Another my favorite. Good and bad. Now my sister put it in the cookie in the
Okay,
plate.
guys, I just picked out most of the burnt parts. Now I'm gonna give it a try. Well, I already did, but it's low-key kind of dry, but it does taste really good though. But it's just kind of dry. So I think these are really good to eat it with like milk.
Oh wow, it's amazing!
Okay, that's it for the video,
really-
guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.
Bye! See you in the next video.
Suddenly I see.